Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're tackling a huge topic, how to build real, lasting wealth. Step 1 is the absolute foundation of everything we're going to talk about today. Shift your mindset from scarcity to abundance. Now for step 2, create a bare bones budget and find your $50. Step 3 is where the action begins. Automate your savings. This is the secret weapon of successful savers. All right, step 4, build a starter emergency fund. Once your starter emergency fund is in place, we move to step 5, destroy high-interest debt. Now for the fun part, step 6, open a retirement investment account. This is where your money starts working for you. Step 7, invest your $50 in low-cost index funds. So you've opened your Roth IRA. Now what do you actually buy? Step 8 is all about patience and perspective. Understand the power of compound interest. We're almost there. Step 9, focus on increasing your income. Finally, we arrive at step 10. Review and adjust annually, but stay the course. So, there you have it. A 10-step plan to build life-changing wealth with less than $50 a week. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more content on personal finance and investing.